If you're facing a billing hold on WhatsApp, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are issues with your credit card or payment account, update your information. Step 2. Review billing information. Log into your WhatsApp account and check your billing information. Make sure that all details, such as your name, address, and payment details, are accurate and up to date. Step 3. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the app cache can resolve issues. Go to your device settings, find WhatsApp, and clear the cache. Restart the app and check if the hold is removed. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the hold persists, reach out to WhatsApp customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue. They can assist you in resolving the billing hold. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. They may take some time to investigate the issue. Once resolved, you should receive a confirmation that the billing hold has been lifted. By following these steps, you should be able to remove billing holds on WhatsApp efficiently. If problems continue, consider checking online forums for additional solutions or updates.